right, here we go. We are now live with our one box break, number 7 of Prizm football. This is my last break. Now I'm gonna watch the game. So we'll get everything else updated after this break. Matt's here for the rest of the night, but he's gonna be watching the game a little bit too. But we'll sneak some breaks in halftime. Obviously, everything after the game too. I'm jonesing right now. I can't even break. I'm shaking. Oh no, Debo's out. Wow. Kevin. JSN silver. Let's go. Seahawks. Hey. Huh. Purple Power, Zach Moss going out to the Colts. Oh, out of 49.
Helmet hits now?
That wasn't. He got pushed into him by another guy. Hey, that's a nice hit. Lions, Sam Laporta, rookie auto silver. Let's go. Lions. Fanberg, filler mojo to sweeper. Oh, they're punting. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Titans, Will Levis, blue ice to 99. That's a nice hit right there. Mark Yost. Mark Yost. Jahmyr Gibbs on the rookie. I like him a lot. AJ Dillon silver, CeeDee Lamb out of 149. Booty, Patriots out of 199. Purple Ice, Okonkwo, Titans out of 225. We're jamming. Dak Prescott on the insert silver. Rashawn Gary. Let's go. Get your 52 jerseys out. Out of 149. Let's go, Pack. We're pulling a lot of Packer cards. You know what that means, folks. Hell yeah. If I'm wearing his jersey and the Pack win tonight, he goes to the stand. There's a Lucas Van Ness for the Pack, too. He might get a sack as well. Kittle. Keanu Benton. Perp Ice out of 225 to the Steelers. He's a Scotty. Kyle Trask. Orange out of 60 to the Bucks. Laporta, Witherspoon. Marvin Jones, green and yellow. Lions out of 175. Bijan on the rookie. I wonder what's going on with Debo, though, in this game. Portals, Justin Fields. Kalijah Cansey. Silver autograph to the Buccaneers. Not who we want. Last pack. Come on. Give us something good to eat. Cooper Kupp. Zay Flowers on the blue wave. That's good for the Ravens. Out of 199. And a Christian Kirk. Purple ice to 225. Jaguars. Let's go. All right, recap. These are two nice cards here. Will Levis to 99. And a Sam Laporta refractor auto.
Did you have like 150 on this?
That's what I paid him.
For it?
Yeah. But I was like super low on the other stuff.
Oh. I'll just throw like 175 on it.
Yeah, that's fine. Ugh. All right, that is it, folks. Prizm 1 box number 7 is in the books. I'm going to shut the stream down. We're going to watch some of the game, and we're going to regroup. We'll get some breaks lined up for halftime and after the game. Let's go. Let's go. Solid on 52. Let's go. Let's go. Mark knows. Mark knows. If the Packers win, we're going to do a giveaway. And it's going to be for all the people, all our great fans. We're going to do a giveaway. And it's going to be in our Facebook group. You got to be in the Facebook group exclusively. That's where we do a lot of our fun stuff. So that's our great community. And we're going to get back if the Packers win, baby. Let's go. All right. That being said, we'll be right back at halftime.